And of course, Sir Ross, maraming salamat, our dear sponsor. Of course, for supporting us always. Okay, Hams, this is the part where I interview you a little bit to get to know, of course, para mas makilala kayo. At syempre, I'm sure may mga pinapost kayo mga vlogs ninyo na gusto niyo promote o nagtitiktok man kayo. As I mentioned earlier, of course, Pageant Vlogger TV, kung di ako nagkakamali. Oh my goodness! At may na-mention ko ba yung name na dumagdag yung followers na malaking tulong na yun. So, pakilala lang kayo, kung meron kayo social media handles, whether it be YouTube, X na ang tawag ngayon, di ba? Twitter yun before, Instagram, Facebook, that you are just comfortable in sharing. Hindi kayo comfortable, okay lang din naman. So, alin nga, makadagdag lang a little bit more followers, 100, tapos i-share yung 100 ninyo, di ba? Dumami ng dumami. Bakit hindi? Let's start with number 1. Brother?
My name is Alvin, but you can call me Vin. I just want to say that I'm honored to be part of this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Okay, salamat, Alvin. Grabe, very gulit ako sa boses si Alvin. Mukhang nag-host din ata si Alvin. Sanay na sanay, sanay na sanay siyang mag-rant. And of course, very private person, di na nag-share. Let's move on to hunk number 2.
Hi, my name is King Silence. You can follow me on IG, King Silence. Thank you.
Alright, you can follow him on his IG page, King Silence. Ayan, on his Instagram page. Malaking tulong talaga to, brother. Alam mo yung dagdag yung mga followers talaga. It also boosts your confidence, di ba? Talaga, dumadagdag yung followers ko, likes. In this day of age, yun na talaga, yun yung currency natin ngayon eh. The followers and the likes ng mga manonood natin na sumusuporta sa atin. At syempre, bigay din natin, ibalik din natin yung support na binibigay nila sa atin. And of course, let's move on to number 3.
Hi, I'm Christian Masiano. Thank you. Papapalo ko sa FB. Thank you.
Alright, you can follow him on the Facebook page, Christian Marciano. Ayan. Congratulations, Christian. Of course, to the other 2 hunks, congratulations in advance. But I'm moving on to hunk number 4.
Hi, my name is Sunny Mana. Please follow my FB page, Sunny Mana.
You can follow on his Facebook page. I'm sure ang dami nila mga pakulot, dami nila mga posts na talagang magugustuhan ng ating mga manonood. As a matter of fact, grabe, even ang stage natin, nababasa na sa inyo, di ba? Tumutulo na. Umulan na atang lakas sa ating ulan sa labas. Ingat kayo guys, mamaya pag later na sa pag-away lang. Let's move on to hunk number 5. Yun, mga fancy hunk number 5. Nandun.
Hello, I'm Irving Lagunda and my Facebook account is Irving Coaching Lagunda and as well as my IG. Thank you.
Ay, grabe. Irvin Kutsa, tama? Irvin Kutsing Lagunda. Yun. Follow him on his page. Yan, nakatype na kagad ni Kuya din. Sa ating Facebook account na IG niya. Pero kidding aside, nakakatuwa lang yung mga manonood natin. Ako, malaking tulong yan sa mga hunks natin. Lalo-lalo na, of course, they're starting off their careers as well. So it would really boost their confidence all at the same time. But I'm not done yet. Nandito pa si hunk number 6.
Hi, my name is King Lawrence Silabros. Maraming salamat sa mga manonood. Maganda rin sa judges, kaya sa mga manonood. I-follow nyo po sa IG, KMG.
Alright, you can follow him on his IG page, KNG De La Cruz. Alright, and last but not the least, brother, take it away.
Hello everyone, I'm Alexander Mendoza. You can follow me on Instagram at Supremo_Alex. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexander. Supremo_.